One of the questions that I commonly get from people is, well, where do I put my money now? How do I find great companies in Haiti that are doing things? There are a lot of people that are in the process of starting businessman competition. So my advice to you is do not start a new one. There are players in Haiti that are already doing this. There is IAIDG. They do the green energy concours business in Haiti, and what they do is they do it for green energy. They find entrepreneurs with fascinating idea about green energy, and then they provide them with financing. And they also do an incubation stage where they teach them how to do certain things to enhance their capability to do things. So AIDG is a good resource. Look into those guys because most likely they will go through a vetting process for these entrepreneurs. And then this vetting process will pretty much clear out and filter out a lot of questionable companies. In addition to this, there is Être Haïtien by Mathias Pierre, and they are in Delma 56. And he's been doing a fascinating job if you guys have not checked out the website. And what he does is that he does national competition throughout the entire region in Haiti in various segments, but he's doing it specifically for youth. And he's currently at the stage right now where he's selecting, there's 40 finalists now, and he started all throughout Haiti, and he has 40 finalists now. And what he's doing that's very interesting is that he has them set up just like Donald Trump has his TV show where he interviews these various entrepreneurs, and he's doing a TV show out of it. So the whole idea is to promote the whole aspiration of businessman competition. So look into that. That's a good source. That's a good resource to source from. University of Quisqueya, like most of you know, is one of the premier universities in Haiti. They have partnered with TechnoServe to do a businessman competition. And every single year, they hold a businessman competition. And last year, with the help of AIDG, they have provided $10,000 to 10 different companies. And these companies are doing phenomenal work. You could always email them and ask them, can I see a list of the companies that won and what they're doing? And they'll be happy to share it with you. If you do not know, if you would like to be introduced to any of these guys above, I could do a direct link to you guys. And lastly, there's Digicel. There's Digicel. Most of you guys will probably already know Digicel. Digicel is the forefront. Digicel is the forefront cellular company in Haiti. They have a 64% market share of the cellular telephone company in Haiti. And Digicel holds what we call an annual Entrepreneur of the Year award. So what they do is throughout the whole country, they pick the best ideas of entrepreneurs who are already in business. You must be in business for a minimum of 3 years. You must have had some kind of returns already. So what they do is they make them compete, and they award someone the Entrepreneur of the Year. Last year, someone by the name of Hans P. Gaut won that, and he's the CEO of Endemco, and I'm going to mention Endemco to you in a few minutes. And what has happened is that with this initiative, they have highlighted a bunch of other initiatives that are currently in Haiti that are taking root. So if you want to look for and find good deals to invest into, these guys are usually a good source to find and then to go after deals. One of the questions that people have always been asking, when is the diaspora going back to Haiti to invest? I think that's not a good question. I think the question is, what is the frequency of the diaspora going back? Because they've been going back forever, and they're going back at record paces now. So there are some challenges where there are some diaspora who's going back to work for NGOs, but that's for another discussion. But furthermore, there's a big number of Haitians that are actually going back home to start businesses. Here's a typical success story. Inersa, 2 entrepreneurs from Canada. They left Canada. They saw the need for a solar panel in Haiti. So Inersa stands right now as the first and only manufacturing solar company in Haiti. So Haiti does have that. So if anyone has any aspiration for solar panel company, please do not start your own. Please try to work with these guys. And they've been doing some amazing work. What they do is they find youth that are at risk in Cité Soleil and a lot of shanty towns. And what they do is they give them the technology and the education on how to be solar panel technicians. And they've graduated over 96 youth. And these guys were, formerly gangbangers and all that stuff. And now they're solar panel technicians. They have the knowledge and the technology to do that. Unfortunately, after the earthquake, they have lost everything. So they're building everything from scratch now, but they're still there. In addition to that, there is Hans P. Gaut. He is the CEO of Endemco. Endemco, what they do is that they get big contracts from companies like Gap and Nike, for example. And what they do is he has over 600 sewing entrepreneurs who are in Haiti who have their sewing machine that are making clothes. So he gives them the specifications, and these entrepreneurs, individual entrepreneurs, essentially work to in his whole product line, but not for Hans, but for as an individual entrepreneur. And ironically, Hans was the winner of the recent Digital Entrepreneur of the Year award. There is Dr. Pillon. He started this. Oh, by the way, these are all diaspora. By the way, Hans Pigawood. He went to a lot of. He's been here in the U.S. for a while, doing a lot of. He was in the retail business for a while, so he knew a lot about the clothing business. So that's how he got into this. And Dr. Pillon, he had this amazing concept of facilitating individuals who are currently going through healthcare issues and not filing residences. So he had a hotel for people who are currently going through cancer treatment and stuff like that, sur la route de Pillon. And then there's Den's Creek Hotel. It's near Jérémy. It's a fascinating little project. I tell you, if you get a chance, go on his website. It's a nice little resort. It's near Ilavache, and he is a diaspora that left in 2007 to start that project. So I think there's a lot of opportunities for a lot of diasporas to do stuff like that as well. So if you're asking and wondering, well, what can I do in Haiti right now? You know, obviously you cannot start a construction company because it requires $1 gazillion. You know, there are as many stuff you could do. You know, with your group, your organizations, if you guys pull your money together. There is opportunity in waste management. If you go to Haiti, for example, you see bottles all across the street. So there's plenty of bottles. What can we do with bottles? Can we melt them? Can we transform them into something else? You know, can we start a plastic industry in Haiti? Well, okay, well we could do that. Yeah. That's if you could melt them for cups or for whatever else, you know, there is an industry that could be birthed there. You know, we're all innovative. You could actually do that. Technology, software. For example, if I'm lending in Haiti, you know, just think about the problems. For example, if I'm lending in Haiti and I know a lot about software, would people buy, if people are buying ticket, would they be willing to pay an extra $1 so that software company who makes the software that tells their relative that my plane just landed? You know, in Haiti, I'm pretty sure people would pay that, so people in Haiti would know when they're plane land. You know, stuff like this. Or when you're going through customs, you know, it would be nice for someone to wait outside with cell phones that's already working and give me a cell phone so I can give it back to them. Stuff, you know, basic stuff like this. Or GPS. You know, if I go to Haiti and I could rent a GPS, or someone could you know, I go with my GPS and he upgrades my GPS and gives me the Haiti map, so this way I could travel throughout Haiti. You know, basic stuff like this. And we have tons of those. You know, if you guys want to network about, if you guys want to start somewhere, you can think. You know, we'll talk to you about different things you can start in Haiti. You know, there's phone service, financial services. You know, there is financial, for example. One of the things that the Haitian community is very common working with is they like to do sol. I don't know if you guys know what sol means. If you guys don't know what sol means, people pool money together, and every single week somebody get paid a lump sum of money. You know. Unfortunately, I do not know, for as long as I've lived, I do not know of any sol that has gone right. For some reason, everybody, you know what? Okay, well, okay, you're one of a few people. So for some reason, somebody always end up not paying up the way it's supposed to. You know, what if somebody who just goes to one of those card companies that exist here and says, you know what, let's create something called hard savings, where Haitians can just, you say, oh, you know what, you save up to $400 or $1,000, and then we send you a card or give you access to the money. That's a way of doing sol indirectly. So we could source cultural things and use existing technology to marinate these things together and offer innovative products to Haiti. So stuff like this. Oh, these are all suggestions. I don't have anyone working on them, so if you want to work on them, go ahead. If you'd like to work on them, I would like to, and I'll connect you with people to do this stuff. Cool projects that are currently going in Haiti. This is supposed to show you one of the cool projects. It's called the Oasis Hotel. It's a 131-room hotel. It's being done by Haitians with a lot of help with a lot of other partners as well. And the CEO is a Haitian, and right now they're accepting about $5,000 minimum for investments, and they're well into the project. And there's another cool project. It's called ePower. ePower is a 30 megawatt heavy fuel electricity company. As you know, guys know, nobody can sell electricity to the Haitian people directly. Only the state sell electricity. The way it works is that an electrical company sells electricity to the ADH. the Haitian component, and then ADH sells it to the people. So that's how it works. So these guys, ironically, the CEO of this company is Gérard Rouzier. I'm fairly convinced you guys know him by now. He's the future Prime Minister of Haiti. He's been nominated by President Martelly. And so they have this project going on. They have a lot of money into it. It's one of the cool projects that's going on in Haiti right now. And they're well into that phase.